In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Google account on an iPhone. First of all, you want to open your Gmail. So, click on Gmail. After clicking, Gmail will open in front of you. Here, you can see these are my emails that I have received. But I want to remove this Google account from this mobile. So, go to the upper right corner of your mobile screen, and then you will see a profile button. Click on it. After clicking, a small format will open in front of you. Here, you can see 2 Google accounts are attached to my iPhone, but I want to remove one of them. Click on that image. After clicking, that Google account will open, and all its emails will be shown here. To remove that email, go to the upper right corner of your screen, then click on the profile button. After that, a small format will open again. Here, just go to the bottom of that format, and then you will see a button of Manage Account on this device. Click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will open in front of you. Here, you can see I have 2 emails. If I wanted to stop any email for a short period, I can toggle this button. But if we wanted to remove any email, for this, just click on the Remove from this device button. Click on it. After clicking, a small format will open in front of you. Here, if you want to continue, click on Remove, and then your Gmail will be logged out from your mobile. That's the way to log out of a Google account. Thank you for watching this video.